Today I'm in the kitchen working on a cranberry dish that my family will like. I grew up on cranberry sauce from the can and I never learned to eat it. To be honest, I'm not a huge cranberry fan at all, but it has shown up on every Thanksgiving table that I can remember sitting at since childhood. So it's tradition, and I'm going to make a cranberry dish that I like. This recipe is simple, but it does require a little prep time, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is wash and then roughly chop 12 ounces of cranberries. I'll put the recipe in the description section of this video. Once you have them chopped to your liking, sprinkle 1 cup, more or less, of sugar. Stir it in good and then cover your bowl with plastic wrap, and you'll want to place it in the refrigerator overnight. This is the prep time that I mentioned earlier. Here's a little snapshot of all the ingredients in this dish. You've got 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, a total of 1 1/4 cups sugar, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 10-ounce package of mini marshmallows, 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple drained, and 1 cup of chopped pecans, which is optional. The next day, when you pull your cranberries out of the refrigerator, you will notice they are now in a delicious, syrupy sauce. This is just what we wanted to happen. Next, you'll want to grab your mixing bowl and pour 1 cup of heavy cream. You want to mix it until it begins to fluff and then add 1/4 cup of sugar and continue beating a little longer. I like it to be nice and fluffy. Once you have your cream, by hand, start folding in your other ingredients. See these nice syrupy cranberries I mentioned earlier? So in go the cranberries, the marshmallows, pineapple, and my personal favorite, the pecans. Then just lightly fold until all of your ingredients are incorporated. You'll then need to chill this dish for about an hour. I like it served cold. As you can see, I didn't chill it first because I was ready for a taste. And it was, you'll miss my thumbs up here, but it was delicious. Now, will my family eat it? I think so. It is delicious. Now, if we can be very quiet, I will tiptoe over to the recliner and wake up the mister and see if we can get him to sample it. He's napping because, number 1, it's Saturday. Number 2, I have it very cool in the house, and he just ate lunch. Now, that combination gets him every time. Let's see what he thinks.